advertisers, but she met a lot of friends through her program. No? So through her program, I think there are still people that still do not know Miss Chunchun. But through the interview that we heard just this evening, nakilala na natin kung sino talaga si Miss Chunchun. But sabi niya, meron siya mga best segment na naipakita na noon. So, tatanungin naman kita ngayon. No? Ako, ang dami mong tinanong sa akin noon. And I got surprised with so many questions she gave me. No? And she asked me, this time, tatanong kita, what was the best interview ever na naaalala mo, no? With those segments that you have presented through Catch Me at 9?
Yeah, but getting interview with the old ones, the adults, who the age is run from 80 above, like your auntie, Mama Linda. My goodness, she's already 85, and she can still remember everything. She still reads books. Could you just imagine? So it's one thing that inspired me while doing the interview. And again, as I said, it's with the children and the poor ones. Which my objective in getting interview with them is to lift up them. Because as I said, poverty is not an excuse to everybody. So because of my show, I'm trying to lift them up and give them the hope that you can be a someday by just striving hard. So that is one thing that made me inspired is, as I said, talking to the poor ones, talking to the children, because I feel